China is leading the world in integrating drones into everyday life, showing just how versatile these flying machines can be. Imagine ordering a meal and watching it arrive via drone, flying over busy streets, and bringing your food to you quickly and with minimal environmental impact. But these drones are more than just delivery tools. They're heroes in times of crisis. When disasters like floods or earthquakes strike, helping responders make quick, informed decisions. Drones are also tackling one of the toughest jobs in winter, clearing ice from power lines and transmission towers. Drones are even lending a hand in construction. Transporting building materials to hard-to-reach sites or high-rise structures, drones are now pivotal in fire rescues, especially for high-rise buildings. And let's not forget agriculture, where drones are reshaping the way food is grown and managed. Covering vast fields in minutes, agricultural drones spray crops with precision, adjusting angles and spray rates to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. Farmers who used to spend hours or days on manual tasks can now monitor and treat their crops from above. Whether it's clearing ice from power lines, aiding in construction, or delivering food across cities, drones are a perfect example of technology meeting real-world needs. As they take on more responsibilities, these drones are helping China show the world that the sky really is just the beginning. They've moved beyond novelty and have become reliable, everyday tools for people across the country. Drones can navigate through areas that were once too remote or dangerous to reach, turning challenges into manageable tasks. For example, in isolated rural regions where infrastructure may be limited, drones deliver medical supplies, essential goods, and even vaccines, making healthcare more accessible than ever before. This ability to reach people in need, regardless of distance or terrain, is revolutionizing how communities receive critical resources. In cities, drones are setting new standards for environmental responsibility. By flying above crowded streets, they avoid the pollution and delays of road traffic, making daily deliveries faster, quieter, and cleaner. This shift is especially important in cities dealing with air pollution and heavy traffic, where even a small reduction in vehicle emissions can make a big difference. With thousands of drones completing deliveries every day, cities are taking steps towards greener logistics, and residents are embracing this futuristic, sustainable solution to urban living. The future possibilities for drones are vast. China's innovative use of drone technology has shown that these devices can become an indispensable part of society, tackling challenges, increasing efficiency, and improving people's quality of life. As drones continue to evolve, they're expected to take on even more roles, from monitoring environmental changes to inspecting infrastructure and beyond. Drones are more than just tools. They're transforming how entire industries operate and helping society overcome limitations that once seemed insurmountable. As China sets this high standard, the rest of the world watches closely, inspired by how drones are creating a future that's smarter, more efficient, and more connected.